so empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Hello and good morning. Welcome to Hike and Bike. We're here for another adventure, and today we're going to Limunsudan Falls. Limunsudan Falls is also known as Bayug and Mindamora Falls. It's located in Barangay Lantud in Talakag. We're going to pass by Tignapoloan, then Barangay Manay, and Barangay Lantud. Mindamora Falls is considered the second highest waterfalls in the Philippines. So come with me for another adventure.
On the track, on my face to the back like I'm taking a slap. I need a drink, but it's straight from the tap. And I'm hating the slack, couple man slide around like they hate in the gaff. Please stop talking that trash, cause the vibes in the front all the way to the back.
water source here, and local folks are doing their laundry and dishwashing chores here.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun. To dream, believe in strength. Now I'm the only one, only one. I was an ordinary boy until I broke the rules. My life destroyed, life destroyed. Until I walk awake, scream my mind, I shout, the ground shakes. How much can I take? My mind will break. Will it break? What can I take? Can I be your superhero?
We're now here at Mindamora or Bayug Falls in Barangay Lantud, Sitio Dagunalan in Talakag, Bukidnon. This is my second time around here. The first time that I've been here, we're not permitted to enter because it was closed due to COVID restriction. Today, we are fortunate enough to enter the Limunsudan Falls finally. From the main road, we have to hike going to the waterfalls. There's a ritual that's going to be performed, and a guide was provided to us. This dog has been following us. Here at the view deck of Mindamora Falls or Bayug Falls, there's a local here, a local folk, it's called the Babaylan. He's the one going to perform the ritual. He's now preparing the offerings or the materials for the ritual. Before, they used chicken as a sacrifice for the ritual, but now just using tobacco and some petal nuts.
Coins lang, sir. Coins lagay mo natin.
Pila ka coin?
Isa lang siya.
About kada isa?
Kada isa.
10.
We are 6 in the team, so we are required to put a coin, each of us here. So there are 6 coins here.
Mananghid sa ila ang mga diwata din nga makita kay kita mag-respeto sa ila na abot mo nini. Kaya kita karon nagkadaiyaman kung pag-abot. Ang inyong inampuan,
So we have to pray
magkasabot ko sa ila na kamo karon na no.
to the diwata or the fairy here.
Dili kamo nila magbuyagan. Mga na atong tumong sa atong panangit. Oh, sabot ko papalibala siya ako ang nagsulat ng ako may bayog ako ako lang natin. May number na mga nawangan kao dili daw pa number kao dili sa mana kami na nakauma kung nakagaya na sita. Gimumulong ninyo sa dili ka abaga kabayog ko. Kaya kahulugan mabanto kita din sa abaga madali hindi ka makatwasa din ang makasarita na adi sa dahil ako sa undan ay patan New Zealand na bantayan New Zealand
all alive. The devil's in the detail, lingered inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi?
Plan to go down the waterfalls. However, the guide told us that it's a big no because currently it's raining and the path or the trail going down is very slippery and it's not been cleared for the past several days, so it's very risky to go down the waterfalls. So we just make ourselves contented by looking at the waterfalls over there. We're here at the view deck. So the ritual has been concluded already.